I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust Headlight's 2013 GMC Sierra, updated. Begin by parking on level ground, facing a wall about 10 to 20 feet away, and measure the headlight center lines. Turn on low beams, mark the beam centers on the wall, and check for uneven spread. Loosen adjusters slightly so you can move the assembly smoothly. Work one headlight at a time for consistent aiming and safe nighttime visibility. In this video, I will show how to adjust Headlight's 2013 GMC Sierra, updated. Gather a tape measure, sockets, screwdrivers, and a level before you start. Clean the lenses so dirt does not alter the beam pattern, then park the truck level and measure headlight heights precisely. Mark the wall at the center lines, switch on low beams, and make small adjustments until beams align with your marks and create even illumination. In this video, I will show how to adjust Headlight's 2013 GMC Sierra, updated. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is a great companion while you wait for parts or read your truck manual. It's lightweight and holds thousands of manuals and guides. If you like this tip, subscribe and like to support the channel, and check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to adjust Headlight's 2013 GMC Sierra, updated. With the truck level and steering straight, turn on low beams and locate the vertical and horizontal adjusters behind each assembly. Make small quarter-turn adjustments while watching the beam hit your wall marks. Recheck both headlights frequently to keep symmetry and ensure the cutoff stays slightly below the headlight centerline for safe glare control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.